everybody, and welcome back. If you're new here, this is the Tabernacle X YouTube channel. We do videos about van life, boat life, funny videos, DIY, all sorts of different videos. If you're interested in that, and if you're interested in our channel, then please do subscribe right here. So today I'm going to teach you guys just one simple way that you can make some dish soap just at home with things you might already have around the house. I think that these days it's really important to be able to do things on our own and not always have to rely on whatever the store might carry. I would just encourage you to learn how to do as many things on your own as you can, and I hope to help people to figure out how to do things on their own and just find simple solutions for things that you wouldn't really think of doing on your own. This is just a quick recipe to make this soap, so I hope that this will help at least some of you to just be able to be more self-sustainable. I think that should be sort of our motto these days. So let's get right into it. The first thing you're going to need is some Arm & Hammer Super Washing Soda. The next thing you'll need is some Dr. Bronner's Castile soap. You will need any sort of container that has a little squirt top, make it easier to do dishes. So I have that. Then you're going to want a 1.25 cups of boiling water. This isn't boiling yet, I have to go do that. And then you're going to want a grater. So that will be for grating the bar soap. Then you're going to want a plain unscented soap, bar soap. This is the Kirk's Castile bar soap. You're going to want a tablespoon, measuring utensil, and a 1/4 cup measuring utensil. So the first thing I want to do here is I'm going to begin to grate the bar soap. You're going to want to grate it so that you are able to measure up to a 1/4 cup, and you're just going to grate it until you have a 1/4 cup. That is pretty much perfect. It is 1/4 cup of the Kirk's Castile bar soap. Next thing that I want to get ready is I want to get 1 tablespoon of my super washing soda. Now I have this water here. I'm going to go ahead and go boil this water, and then I will add the rest of the ingredients and show you what else to do. So we're just going to add our bar soap that we grated up. We're going to add that to the boiling water. You want to make sure that it is just like a milky sort of color and that there are no pieces of the soap left. You're going to add your tablespoon of washing soda to the mix. You shouldn't be able to tell that there's different products in there. It should just all be uniform. So once you have it like that, then you're going to take your Castile soap. You are going to measure a 1/4 cup. 1/4 cup. And you're going to mix that up. Making sure that it gets mixed all together. A this point, you're going to just let this cool in your jar or whatever container you choose to make it in. Okay, so I think this is cooled down enough. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in my container. This would work a lot better with a funnel. I don't have one though, so. There you go, you have your own homemade dish soap for pennies on the dollar with products that you have at home. As this sets, it will harden and it will become more of the gel-like consistency that you're used to. It is fairly, as you can see, it's fairly liquidy right now, but it hasn't set up. Although it has cooled down, it hasn't set up all the way. And if it does get too hard, if it does become too hard to use once it sets up, you can always add a little bit of warm water with it, and that will make it go back to that gel-like consistency. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that it taught you something new that you didn't know before, and if you did know before, I hope that it helped to encourage you to just start doing things on your own, and it helped you to become somebody who doesn't have to rely on other people to get things done. So I hope that this opened your eyes to something that maybe you didn't know that you could make so easily out of things that you have in your home. And if you did enjoy this, I would encourage you to please leave your thoughts down below. Let me know what you think of this recipe, and let me know if you tried it out and how it worked for you. I hope that you guys are staying safe. I hope you're staying sane, and I hope that you're finding new ways to be self-sustained.